Kurbah nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke District Magistrate jong ke East Khasi Hills ke kong Rosita M Kurbah kalaong bakapor Hadien ke Shiphobaji Mynmiet kasngau baki brave ki dai ban Leit Phai ki Ïing ki sem ban Leit Baje Ïing hasem mat kumjuru yiki nong de dukan baki dai ban don kapor hado Shiphobaji bakin play yiki dukan jong ki yakani ke kong Kurbah kala keren berkilat pathai kubor mentaka janmit jong ke khat waitrik unai tung arjar arpulai ha ke bedai bat ke hukum ke bala penmi henden ke sngi ke Shiphobaji unai tung ke bala mana ban play yiki dukan badru ban shong that lat bat di buaj ha ki Surok ha keleng ke sor Hadien ke por Shiphobaji Mynmiet ha bajuba balor ke jingdo ya ke baibam baidi ki baju im jakpo da ke bade dukan ha ke por Mynmiet ke kong Kurbah kala ong ba ni ki jingjia badang sudep jia kala pentut ya ki bayat bayeng ki nong Leit nong wan bat kam don shu ke taka jingshingan ya ki babun balang Hadien ke por Shiphobaji Mynmiet shisho ke kong Kurbah kala ong ru bakam long ke basuk baki pulit kin don bet haman la ki jaka bat ka jingshim ka bu jang ki breu kan kam day ha ka por Mynmiet bat day na kanika da bakan sa shim je kanika rai ban wanra ya ka shongsuk shongsan da ka ba ai da kanika hukum.
Just that I have to say I've got several information that there's a lot of unruliness in the Shillong headquarters. We have so many incidents of arson, you know very well what I'm talking about. And we have seen that people are moving in and around, in vehicles which are having, loud music with modified system of engines and creating a lot of noise. So creating a very unpleasant feeling of fear, of uncertainness for young people to move around town. I mean, if you do go around town in the evening after 9, I don't know how many of you feel safe at all. So therefore, we have to take this decision. And after 10, I feel people should be going back to their families, should be going back, time even for your workers to go back to their family. I mean, we should also think of, there's a limit for allowing people to open shop beyond 10 o'clock. Because of the various reasons of the consequences we see in and around town that, it's not safe anymore. Even for ourselves to go back home after 10 o'clock, you don't feel safe at all.
But ma'am, rather is intensified, patrolling is intensified.
You see, we cannot say that our police personnel will be in every town and corner of the Shillong city. It's very difficult it's very easy for people to say so. But for us who are implementing, who are, taking care of the security, we have to take, what are the costs? Why are people going out? We have to weigh the pro and con. We have to see why these things are happening. There is a reason people are going out, because there's an opportunity. So if we do close this shop, 10 o'clock, come on, yeah, any normal citizen would be at home at 10 o'clock.
So how long it will continue this, 144?
It will be there as long as until a little bit of sanity returns to the city.